Lovely views.
We're having a really nice day here today.
A very nice day.
Yes. Aren't we, John?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep, we're having a great time here in the most beautiful Hampshire countryside.
Yeah, we certainly are. We're having a marvellous time here. We wish you were here, David. And
yes,
Simon.
I did ask you to come.
Yeah, we're having a lovely, lovely afternoon.
Yes, I did ask you to come, David.
Yeah, really, really good. It's a really good ride.
Yes.
Really good rides here. In really good surroundings.
Yes.
Yes. So. I say it's game over for the yachts, I think, today. Oh, okay.
Always nice to have company with you, Martin.
Yes, it's always nice to have company with you, John.
Oh, very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice indeed.
It's amazing, isn't it, John?
Oh, yes.
Right.
Amazing.
Very.
Amazing.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Yes, folks, this is the Fair-Pix Productions in association with John Horsman Videos. We are just having a nutty but placid ride on the Ferris wheel here at the Hollycombe Steam Museum.
Oh,
So, John, are you enjoying yourself today?
Oh, definitely.
Good. And would you come back again, John?
Yes.
That's very good. So, John, have you got any special requests to be made?
Not really.
There you go, guys. He's like me, he's getting old, he's lost his memory. It's what happens when you get to 44, fellas, right?
cheeky bugger.
Top one, nice one, get sorted.